Hello friends, I am Shivi. So today we will do two experiments. So our first experiment is bubble inside the bubble experiment. So to do this experiment, you need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dishwash, water 200 ml and a straw. So first you have to put the sugar inside the water and then you have to put the dishwash. So friends, mix it well until the sugar melts. So friends, rub the dishwash all over your table. So friends, rub some dishwash on your straw also and dip it in this solution and then blow. So friends, I managed to make 3, but you can make more also. 1, 2 and 3. There was 3 bubbles. So our next experiment is pepper and water experiment. So for this experiment, you need a plate, black pepper, some dishwash and some water. So first you have to put the water in the plate. And then you have to put your black pepper. And then dip your fingers in the middle of it and then observe. Nothing will happen. And then slowly dip the finger in the dishwash and then slowly put it in the middle of the water and then the pepper moves away from your finger.